guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. We have so many beautiful products that came in, so I'm going to share those with you. We've got cat Scrappiness, we've got Whimsy, we've got Ldrs, and then the Frosted and Tufted from our latest release is now back in stock. So this gorgeous paper with the tufted design on one side and then this frosting drizzling down on top, and then the other side has like a simpler pattern, either a solid or these little baby hearts or polka dots. Just a beautiful paper pad. So that is now back in stock. I'll have the link below for you, but I wanted to show you, I cut out this heart die. This is a new die from cat Scrappiness, and it's got this drizzle for the top. It's got a waffle pattern on the inside of this heart with stitching here, and then the heart. So I cut it out with this paper because I thought it would be beautiful with the drizzled frosting at the top. So you put that on top, and doesn't that look cool? So, and then I just think the tufted looks so pretty on the heart. So here's in the pink. And then this is the pattern that it will cut out. It's better to cut it out in something solid. You can even color it in with your Copics, make it look like a waffle. That would look super, super yummy. So this die is in there. And we've got a lot of very cute dies from cat Scrappiness. So I got some of the mini Slimline dies. These are out of stock, but I was able to grab a couple. So I have these three. So these are like the Slimline dies are like this size. This is a mini. See if you can see the comparison. And this is a new one. This is the film strip die. It comes with two, so you could layer them. And we've got the cloud Slimline die here. It's got stitching. And then these two pieces here cut slits so you can tuck your little characters into the clouds. And then there's a rainbow one for Slimline. Comes with two clouds for the ends, some stars and raindrops. A little peekaboo heart Slimline die. So it does a little stitching right here. It cuts this part out so you can open up the flaps. It's got stitching all the way around. We've got some clouds. So really pretty stitched clouds. A grass Slimline die, so it does cut out the bottom here, and then your border of grass. Perfect for Easter cards coming up. Could tuck little eggs in there. This is cute. This is a little peeps, and then there's a smaller size and a bigger size. It has stitching all the way around, and it's so cute. I've seen these cut out with cardstock and then put those little poof balls for their little tails. So it looks like they're facing behind. That looks really cute. And then this is an Easter border cover plate die. So you get the nice Easter scene on the top. There's a Happy Mail die. So this is really cute. I think this is a gift card holder. You put your gift card in the slot. So it's like a little mailbox. That's really cute. And then there's these two shaker heart dies. These would look gorgeous with the frosted and tufted paper pad. So you get a nice frame to make a shaker, and then this beautiful intricate heart design on the inside of that one. So these two do work together. And then also from cat Scrappiness, I got a bunch of their embellishments. So I'm just going to take them all out. So we've got pink round confetti solids. So it's like a mirror Very, very pretty. And then if you're looking for a gem picker, I have this in stock by Marker Forte. It's a gem picker. It's got this pretty rainbow. Very pretty. So one side's a craft pick to poke out the pieces from your dies, and the other one is a gem picker. So it just picks up the sequence, and then you place it down onto your glue. We've got some really cute pastel scissors. So isn't that cute? They're like so tiny and cute. Cute to make a little shaker card using your crafty stamps. I thought these were really pretty. These are the water droplets, the iridescent clear droplet sampler, so you get different sizes, which I really like. And you can see those really pretty iridescent color in there to make it look more realistic. And then there's teardropped shaped water droplets, and these are clear, so that's really pretty. That would be really pretty with a floral image. We've got lots of Easter pastel spring sequence mixes. This is called Just Hatched. You get some little chicks and like some little eggs and stuff. Very cute. These are just perfect for your shaker cards. This is Easter egg hunts, so just the perfect pastel mix. There's some eggs in there, different size sequence with a little hole. Easter egg parade. So this one's similar, but it has some square, kind of like confetti pieces in there. So they got those eggs in there as well. The Easter bunnies. So those are different Easter bunnies, different colors. You can make your own mix with those guys. We've got some little chickadees. So these ones are clay, they're thin. Perfect for the shaker card. And then some carrots. Cute little carrots. We've got some Easter eggs. These are larger Easter eggs, and these would be really cute just to glue them on top of your card with your scene. And then we've got the pastel sprinkles, which are so cute for shaker cards. You can mix these up with your sequence. They're great for cupcake cards. Those would be perfect for our new stamp set, Sprinkled with Love. And that stamp is running low. I'm not sure how many we have left. Maybe like 3 or something like that. Maybe 4. I haven't checked, but I know the last time I checked was 5, and I remember getting some more orders for that. So that one is almost sold out, guys. From Ldrs, got some really cute stuff. So this is for their March release. This is the Get Well stack. Now there's a die for this. It's a stack die, and it will cut out all these strips at one time. I'm not sure if I have it in stock, but if you've been buying the Ldrs, you probably already have the die, but this is a new stamp for that collection. We've got Happy Egg Hunt. I think this one's adorable. I love those bunnies. They're so cute. The little chicks are cute. There's some eggs, a little sign that you could stamp these little sentiments in. Aw, and look at that sentiment. Gray hair, don't care. And then I do have the dies for these. See, those are dies. So we've got the Friends Like You. So this one's really cute. We've got, let's see, I think these are, we've got raccoons and fox and an owl, a bird, a couple of birds, and a squirrel, I think. Those are squirrels. I hope this springs you joy. Who could be blue with friends like you? So super adorable. That's the die. We've got 2 floral stamps here, very pretty. We've got a hugs and a thanks, and then the little sentiments that go along with it. And the dies for that. This Slimline die is gorgeous. It's called Pretty Patterns Slimline die. You get 8 dies in here, and I love the little hearts on the frame. Let's get up really close so you can see that detail. And then there's little flowers, little leaves, stitching with little hearts in the corner, a pretty scallop with a little window here, double stitching on this one. I think that one is really pretty. This Bursting Bouquet stencil, it's gorgeous. The paper pads, they are so pretty, so pastel-y. I love the colors, perfect for spring. So the Slimline paper pad and your regular 6x6 paper pad. And then for Whimsy stamps, I grabbed this paper pad. Look at how cool this is. So this is like, what is this one called? Enchanted Forest Slimline paper pad, and it's just got all the scenes in there. So it's doing all the work for you. So just add your images and your sentiment. You don't have to worry about coloring in a background. I thought that was really, really cool. And then to go with that kind of theme, we've got Build a Fairy garden die. So we've got mushrooms, the little fairy, she looks like Tinkerbell. There's a few fairies in here. 1, 2, looks like 4 different fairies, some fairy dust, the mushrooms, and some grass. This one is back in stock. This one sold out right away last time. This is the Scallop Edge Pocket die. So that makes a really cool pocket. You could use it on your card or without your card and put stuff in there. So that is really neat. The Marquee die, I restocked that one. That one always sells out. The Slimline Meadows die set, so I did restock that one. That one's really cool. It's got the little frame up here at the top. Another frame here with some bushes, and then your grassy hills, 2 bunny rabbits, little mushrooms. There's a tree here. Really fun. I thought this heart die was really cool. So the Slimline heart die, double stitching. And we've got some gnomes, really cute gnomes. And this one is called Gnome One Else. So cute gnomes on the swing. This one, they are floating on a leaf. And then we've got one giving the other gnome a little flower and some cute sentiments. So that's everything that I got right now, guys. So what's your favorite from everything that I showed you? Gosh, there's so many cute things. I really like this paper pad. I really like the cat Scrappiness dies. I love the sprinkles. I love the Slimline dies. I love this little rabbit stamp. It's so cute. So you guys could use my coupon code Jamie for 10% off your order. I have all the links in the description box. Don't forget to check out my blog post. We have new designers on the team. So we have a full team. On the blog post, you'll see everybody's social media accounts, their YouTube. So you could go on over and subscribe to them. We've got Teresa Russell from Fresh and Renewed with Teresa. We've got Alicia with Call Me Crafty Al. So those are our 2 brand new design team members. I am looking forward to working with those gals, and everybody else, super excited to have them on the team. I want to thank everybody else who applied for the design team. I really do appreciate that. And it was like a hard, difficult decision because I had so many people apply that have been with me, have supported me from the beginning. And a lot of crafty friends had applied, but I could only say yes to 2 people. But you know what, guys? I have a nice list now. I have people I can ask, hey, do you want to guest design for me this month? Or if somebody drops out, I have a list to go to ask, hey, would you like to fill in the spot? Who knows, you might be on the team later on this year. So thank you guys. I really do appreciate you stopping by. I will catch you real soon in the next video. Take care, guys.